Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale the stunning Kawasaki H2 SX, but this one is the SE. So this one is a 2022, and as before it is the SE. So the telltale way to tell if these are an SE or not now on this model is by the Brembo monoblock brakes. So you also get the electronic suspension on these as well. So electronics wise, I've pretty much got everything you could want. You even get the radar on the front and the back of these nowadays. So radar guided cruise control, it'll warn you if somebody's too close behind you as well. But 2022, 7,763 miles. It's got the MTC exhaust on there. It's got the Kawasaki quick release pannier system on there as well. Obviously you get quickshifter, blipper, stuff like that. Just flick the ignition on so you can have a look at it. Full colour TFT display on these, and this one's also got, if you look at the mirrors, a little tiny triangle on there to show you the blind spot assist as well. So if somebody's in your blind spot, that little amber light will light up. But yeah, heated grips on this one. It's got the frame protection, it's got a radiator guard, it's got a double bubble screen, but electronics wise, like I said before, it's got everything you could ever want. Power wise, we remap loads and loads of these on our in-house dyno, and typically they start at sort of 180 and finish off at like 220 at the rear wheel, so they're a real powerhouse as well. But yeah, they're a great bike all round, do everything you could ever want a bike to do. So if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.